Vihar Lake Fishing. A serene view of Vihar Lake. The Mithi River originates from the overflows of Vihar Lake. Lake fishing predominantly takes place on the west side of the Vihar Lake by the Malhar Koi community in Ultinpada. While on the southern side of the lake fishing is practiced as a supporting livelihood. The man in the picture is a resident of the Perubag area and has been living near this lake since he was a child. Fishing is his primary occupation. His income entirely depends on the daily catch of fish. The picture shows an old couple who lives in the Dargah Pada, which lies on the southern edge of the Vihar Lake. Their ancestors were displaced during the construction of the Vihar Dam in 1860. Since then, they have been settled here and are into freshwater fishing. Freshwater fish like bhetki, rohu, katla, and tilapia are found in plenty. The fish is bought by the neighboring residential areas and hospitality sector. The stretch at Mitti source thrives a good amount of fish, but as soon as it comes in contact with Filterpada, its first urban interaction, the Mitti starts being abused. Improper drainage and solid waste management have been aggravating the case of bad water quality, killing the necessary oxygen levels for fish and other essential microecologies to thrive. The chemical oxygen demand at this point is 184 in contrast to the required 30 mg per liter, while the biological oxygen demand remains at 58.9 as against the requirement of 5 mg per liter, according to the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board 2014 report. The drainage from the neighboring hospitality lobbies also let out into the river, dreading it with incessant water hyacinth growth. The fishermen in this area struggle to find even the minimum catch for the day. In order to make ends meet, the fishermen have to do alternate hospitality and maintenance jobs. Thus, a huge shift is occurring in their livelihood.